Hey guys, welcome to part 2. This is Mango from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Right here I'm at Melaka, and here's Class 21, the diesel locomotive from the Malayan Railway, and it's got an amazing coach. So without being said, let's go check out this guy. Alright, so here's the railway track. Here's the front. It's got a chopper coupler. Too bad I can't hold this thing. Okay. Alright. Interesting. And here's the hose. I believe. Oh. Yeah, here's the hose. We got the hook. Or just a chain. Oh wait, that's a hook. That's a hook. I'm stupid. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this is so heavy. Let's go check out the train. No joke, this is amazing, man. Kereta Api Tanah Melayu, got the KSK Diesel. This is amazing. What's this? Kesa Saizo Kaisa Raisha. Number 3061 in Osaka, Japan, 1965. I get it. Okay. Let's go check out the coach. Alright, here's the coupler. No joke, this is amazing. Okay. Alright. So we got the coupler. Here's the train. And this is amazing, man. First time seeing this train in Melaka, in Malaysia. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Okay, here's the roof. Let's go check out this coach. I want to see it. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, here's the coach. Yet again, he's from London. I gotta love this guy. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. This diesel train's amazing. And man. Oh, we can oh yeah, I can open this thing. Alright. Man, this thing is amazing. It's amazing. Okay, we got the buffer stop. Don't mind about these guys. They came to visit this train. And yeah. Damn, it's so hot in here because of the sun. And yeah, this is amazing. I really love this train. Okay, do not litter. Okay, it won't. Tons BWV 10209. Okay, I get it. Damn, this is amazing. Alright, here's the back of the coach. I don't know what's going on with that sign. It just fell off. Funny. Okay, here's the coupler. Yep, it's very heavy. Alright. Let me just go get on top. Alright, there's a lot of people to see. There's a plane, and I'm not gonna lie. Wait, yeah. Yet again, there's another hose, and yeah, I like it. And that's pretty much it. This is the train from Melaka, and I'm gonna head out. See ya, and goodbye.